Greetings, gardening friends. It's Stacy.
And Rick, and we have a big announcement about the Gardening Simplified show.
We've decided not to renew our contract with a local radio station here so we can focus exclusively on the podcast and YouTube versions of the Gardening Simplified show.
And Stacy, that means no more headphones.
Woohoo! Probably no one's happier about that than Adriana, who has had to edit so many segments because my headphones were falling off my head. It also means we no longer are bound by 10-minute segments or commercial breaks, and we're not bound by a 45-minute time frame. But do not worry, we are not going to turn into one of those podcasts that lasts 3 hours. We will keep the Gardening Simplified show to under an hour every week.
And we'll have a lot more freedom to give you the information, the pictures, all the things that you've come to expect from the Gardening Simplified show.
We are so excited about this change, and we hope you are too. Look for the first episode of the Gardening Simplified show in this new format on your favorite podcast platform or right here on YouTube on Saturday, September 5th.